rolling. I never y'all bitches so funny. Sideways, it'll never be the same. Days for my attitude stand. Yeah. Cupid. Can't even think sideways.
You say I'm too nice for this song, so
you gotta have an attitude.
I ain't got an attitude. I do got an attitude, but I am too nice for the song. But guess what? It still ain't enough for you. And I'm still looking at you sideways. Oh, guess what? Guess what, y'all? Let me scoot down to y'all level. It is your girl at Hair by Stone. Yes, it is. Once again with another tutorial. Y'all is gonna be excited about this tutorial. So today we are gonna be installing locks on a lace front wig. So yeah, y'all. So I'm headed to the hair store right now. I'm trying to see what this hair store got because they got a lot of hair that's on sale, and I'm finna go see what I can find in the sale box because the guy is trying to give me the hair for free. He was trying to give us the hair for free. So we're gonna see what they got. We're gonna see what they got, and then we'll get back with y'all. Y'all see that little photo speed thing right there? That's clocking you. Guess what? It take pictures of your car if you speeding, and you will get a ticket. Okay, because I got a $100 ticket in the mail. Thing right there. See that thing right there? That's the camera. So I am here at the store. Wait, did he say this was free? Mm-hmm. But the track here, right here, y'all. They were trying to get like $10 a pack, but oh, this is an 18-inch Vizio. Is this track here? This is all free hair, y'all, and Beauty and Beyond on Montgomery Cross Road. Y'all need to come get hair, cause look, they got real hair. Well, you $10 Vizio. Oh wait, you ain't got no straight one though.
Nah.
Oh,
No straight one, stay.
Oh yeah. Vizio, $10. Vizio is good hair. Vizio, I'm probably saying it wrong, but look, hold on, screen chat. Pre-stretch, emerald green, free. Rura. 18 inches. I might get this because it's free. And guess what? I could use it. So yes, y'all, I'm going to use this free 18-inch lock hair by Bobby Boss. 18 inches. It's like my hair color, so I'm definitely going to get maybe 2 packs of these. Okay, so I'm getting my lock hair.
You want another bag?
No, this good.
Pull them thumbs down, screaming.
No balloon.
Thugging in them hooking. Hey, to me.
You better put that. No balloon in. Meanwhile,
We vibe. Hey, cut up, beat it. Hey, me why you smiling?
what you smiling for?
I like bad bitches, 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 bad bitches. P100 think, 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 P100 think. Everybody swear they know about us, but you only know what I told you. You only know what I showed you. Done lost too many soldiers. Put my hands up. We only get older, and only get older. You can't sit with us. I like bad bitches, bad riches, bad bitches, bad riches, bad bitches, bad riches, bad bitches, bad riches.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches did the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
This time doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
This time doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my will.
Rolling stone.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tussie slides in both ears. Dice running on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might justify. Tonight I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a count my figures. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I D.I.E. Can't do what you wanna, live. But I'm stunner till I D.I.E. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my legs, sending action. These days, no quiet. Lasting, living in the middle, might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, ain't all bad. Bloody murder, there ain't no second chances.